Hi everyone, my name is Omar, and if you want to know how I made over $2,000 within months with no experience, I would say, then I suggest you can listen to my experience and also my journey. All right. Now I was struggling, I was stuck, and I was searching online, doing a bit of freelancing, dabbling here and there, tried into several courses, didn't work out, didn't get any results. And out of one day, I saw someone post that they're making money online. So I said, you know what, let me check her out and see what it's all about. I was invited, to a community where I saw we are getting the support, access like, to our 24-hour Zoom and all that stuff, and access to a mentor. And we get to see him like actually every day. And from I joined, my life has changed, and to know that LiveSotori has changed my life. I've grown spiritually, I've grown, financially, and I'm still learning a new skill. And I could literally, stretch my hands out and help other individuals as well that, are stuck and they're struggling. And it doesn't matter what areas of life you are, it doesn't matter the occupation that you're doing, whether, you're doing your freelancing, whether you're, a father or a husband, or even if you're divorced, even if you're single, it doesn't matter. The greatest thing is you can learn this skill and it can help you, to change your life, take care of your family. It has done the same as for me as well. And others I've seen their lives have changed. And Junior Anthony, he's our mentor and he's awesome, awesome, awesome individual. He's a very clean-hearted person. He doesn't see us as a customer. He sees us as his students, and he wants all of us to have that success. And to know that after we completed everything, we can do whatever we want to do, and now I have that freedom. I can do whatever. This is the reason why I could take the time out to, do a video to share with you all my experience. And I decided that I'm gonna continue to show the growth, and the mindset and everything that has helped me from where I was to where I'm at right now. I am so elated. And what I would love to do, because sometimes we believe in transparency, right? So what I would love to do is just to share a little bit of my uh, my results here. So let me just show you exactly what's happening here. All right, I'm logging into my dashboard right now. See, this is where it shows you that I have over, 672 pending right now, and I've made over $2,500. And it's only for a few days now. I haven't made a sale as yet, but it doesn't matter because I'm putting in the work today. Today's Friday, and tomorrow's Saturday. So I can definitely get something done and so forth. So that's just a little bit just to share with you all. And I really want to share my journey with you. And, this is possible. It is because I was a little bit on the fence. And now I said all in. LiveSotori, all in. LiveSotori for life. Hashtag entrepreneur mindset. Hashtag entrepreneur growth. Hashtag Satorian. Hashtag LiveSotori. Hashtag Junior Anthony. I love you. You're awesome. And I love you all, the family. And I love everyone. And you can reach out anytime. You can drop a line, whatever. It doesn't matter, So I'll just let you know. Thank you all. And it's great, hanging out with you. And thanks for listening. Thank you much. Have a great day. And have a splendid, awesome, fantastic day.